Happy day, students. Today we are going to deal with English grammar error spotting. Already we have seen errors can be spotted out in so many categories. We have seen in homophones, articles, prepositions and concord. Today we shall see in number. We shall see now number. Okay. Some plural words are always used in singular. Some plural words are always used as singular. Subjects you see mathematics. Next physics, civics. Though S is added, we are using it as singular only. Statistics, economics. Next you see games, billiards, athletics, chess, gymnastics. Next diseases you see measles, rabies, rickets. Generally you see alms. Alms means offerings, news, customs. Moving on to next. Some nouns are always used as plural. Let's see them. Police, people, glasses, scales, trousers and pants, vegetables, cattle, sheep. You shall see on the board now. Now you can see on the board some examples to denote number. Mathematics, singular subject, no, so we use is. Mathematics is my favorite subject. Next one you will see all news is good news, singular subject. Next one billiards, games, no, billiards is my favorite game. Next you see rabies is caused due to dog bite. Next vegetables are good for health. Vegetables are plural number. Okay. Trousers are owned by both boys and girls. Scales are used for measuring accurately. Hope you have understood this number. We shall move on to the next. We shall see the adjectives now. What's an adjective? An adjective qualifies a noun. Example you see good boy, beautiful girl, 10 rupee, green bottle. See, boy is noun referring to the boy, good boy. Girl is noun, beautiful is adjective. Rupee is noun, 10. Okay, number, it is adjective. Bottle is noun and green refers to the bottle, no? So it is adjective. Adjectives we see further superior, inferior, senior, junior, prior, exterior, interior, anterior, posterior and lateral. This should be followed by to instead of than. Usually in error spotting they give than for this. So you should use only to. Only if it is comparative you can use than. Okay. Examples of adjectives you see you will be understanding better. Rita is senior to Rekha, not than. Okay. Senior means you know. Then my computer is superior to yours. Next one. Petrol vehicles are inferior to battery vehicles. We shall see the other examples on the board. Dear students, you can see the exercise on adjectives. How the error spotting is done you can see. See the example, first one. Mala is junior to Sheila, not Dan. Okay. So if you find Dan, you have to strike out and write to. Next you see, my manager is superior to me. So Dan should not come. And in the same way you see, one of the or one of these, each of the comes means it is singular only. So many are there, it is singular unit. So one of the most beautiful birds is peacock. You know peacock is our national bird. Next one, cookies are not so expensive as cakes. You are not supposed to use as. See, when no, not comes means negative sentence means you have to use so only. So as in adjectives. Okay. Next, Meena's handwriting is better or gooder than that of Cheryl. So Meena's handwriting is better, not gooder. There is no word gooder. Good, better, best. When you are comparing, you should use better. Next, no other leader is so popular as Abdul Kalam. Now only I said when you have negative words, you should use so only. So as will not come. Okay. Then finally you see very few boys are as clever as Jason. So you should not use so here. Okay. It is positive sentence. So hope you have understood about adjectives. Dear students, next we shall move on to phrases. Okay. Group of words which convey a single meaning are phrases. Okay. A group of words that stands together as a single grammatical unit. It does not contain a subject and verb. Okay, examples you can see. There are three types of phrases you can see. Noun phrase, adverbial phrase, adjectival phrase. Noun phrase, you see 4 hostile newspapers are more dangerous than 1,000 bayonets. Okay, next you see an army marches on its stomach. So when you ask the question how, you get the answer. So it is adverbial phrase. And you see adjectival phrase telling more about the nation. England is a nation of shopkeepers. So adjectival phrase is of shopkeepers. Now you see the phrases prefer plus noun plus to plus noun. Jack prefers milkshake to cola. So here if they give than means you should use to only. Okay. In adjectives we saw to should be used, not than. Here also you should use only to. Prefers come means you have to use to only. So prefer noun to noun. Okay. So Selvi prefers bicycle to scooter. I prefer working to doing nothing. Okay. Now another form you see, would rather plus verb plus noun plus than plus noun. So examples if you see you will understand better. I would rather go out tonight than staying at home. So when you find would rather means it should be followed by verb plus noun plus than. Then again noun. Okay. See the second examples. I would rather have breakfast than brunch. Next one. I would rather watch a movie at home than going to the theatre. Now we shall see the rest on the board. Dear students, now you can see on the whiteboard phrases, examples. Okay. Instead of or in spite of the rain, the match continued. See, instead of will not come. No. So in spite of. The phrase in spite of. So in spite of the rain, the match continued. So you know what's the condition. Second one you see, we neither rejected or did not reject the proposal nor accepted it. So how should it come? We neither rejected nor accepted it. See, neither nor should go together. Next you see, in case of or in spite of rain, take an umbrella. So it is condition. In case of rain, take an umbrella. Next you see, this rule you should know. No sooner comes means it will be followed by did then than. So you see, no sooner will not be accompanied by as soon as. No sooner did the teacher enter the class than the students stood up. You should always remember this, students. No sooner did the teacher enter the class than the students stood up. Next one you see, on account of or in spite of rain, the match was cancelled. Sorry. On account of rain, the match was cancelled. See, the first sentence we saw, it continued, but here you see on account of rain means reason is given. So it was cancelled. Finally you see, I prefer coffee to tea. You should not use than. But in the exams they will give you like this than. You have to remove that and write to. Okay, so students, hope you have understood the error spotting up to this category, and we shall continue the next in the next class. Thank you.